isn't to be in the kitchen giving you recipes and ideas. I just make you some lovely, lovely, lovely gungo rice and peas. Serve it jerk pork, vegetable at the side. Fantastic. And I know you guys will love this one. So anyway, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. It is jerk pork in the oven. Can't go wrong. And the rice and peas with gungo. Can't go wrong. It's nice. So anyway, subscribe. Leave your comments below. And also, if you like the recipe, please request something for yourself and I will definitely make it. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, Google Plus Chef Ricardo, and get a lot more ideas and recipe. Follow me on my website, chefricardocooking.com or chefricardo.co.uk. Follow me, as I say, and you can't go wrong, guys. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. Stay true. Nice one. So today we want to make you some gungo rice and peas. Alright? And I'm gonna show you or you can make this very easy gungo rice and peas at home. First thing what you need to do is get 1 tin of gungo peas. Pour it straight inside of your pot like this one. See? That's the gungo peas. Alright? Then second thing, add 1 glass of water. I'm using a tall glass, so it's a glass of water. Third thing, add some coconut milk. One of the first, just to make it come out a little bit more easier, I'm gonna use my can opener and open up a little bit more. So basically I'm using half tins of the coconut milk. And this is some fresh thyme. After you put your fresh thyme, I have some spring onion, which I'm going to be using also inside of it. So we're going to cut up the spring onion very finely. That's the spring onion. Then we're going to put some white onion. In it like this. 1 clove of garlic is good. Right? 1 clove of garlic is very good. Simple. Finally cut it up. Put it straight inside of it. 1 scotch bonnet pepper. Little bit of Cajun season. Some people call it all-purpose season, but this one is Cajun season I'm using. Little bit of dry herb, dry mixed thyme, dry thyme. It's good to use that inside of it sometime. Little bit of mixed herb. I'm just using my hand and put it on a little bit. After mixed herb, some pepper, cracked pepper. Then we're going to put give it some more ingredients which we can use inside of it. So I'm gonna put a teaspoon of brown sugar. Put another teaspoon of the brown sugar. Some people doesn't put in it, but when you're cooking gungo, it's good to put it in gungo. Then also we might just put I got 1 more ingredients I want to share with my fans. This one is pimento. You can put a few pimento seed in it. Just a few. Really nice when I cook gungo peas. Put a few pimento seed in it. Like that. Then a pinch of browning, not too much. It's gonna like a trick when I can do. Not to make the gungo peas white, but it just give it a lovely color. A little pinch more. Alright, then some salt. I'm using sea salt. Really good for you. Sea salt is the most healthy salt I can use. Alright, that's it. You can put a teaspoon of butter, unsalted butter if you have any. I don't have any butter. So coconut milk is good because the coconut milk have a lot of oil. Now I'm gonna put it on the stove and we're going to be cooking this for about 15 minutes on the stove. Alright guys, enjoy the recipe. Gungo rice and peas. So, nice one. As you can see right here. Alright. Look at that. Gungo rice and peas. So basically, I've been cooking this for the last 15 to 20 minutes now. So I just wash off 2.5 cups of rice. I'm gonna pour it in like this. You might have said, what kind of rice Chef Ricardo been using? You can use either long grain rice, brown rice, but I'm using basmati rice. Alright? Lovely. Just to see where the water is. Okay, I believe this is fine. The amount of water inside of it is fine. Alright? Nice one. Let's see first, because I don't want to have too much water inside of it, so I might just take out a little bit of the water to see where I am at the moment with the rice. Because basically you must only see, yeah, so you can see the rice. You don't want to have too much water in basmati rice, because basmati rice is very easy to cook. So give it a taste to see. Still perfect, yes. Still nice. Alright. Lovely. Then cover it and leave it to cook for 20 minutes till the water dried out and the rice cook. Really fluffy and nice. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. So basically, gungo peas is finished now. All I'm gonna do is look at it. First thing, let's move the bad boy, the pepper. Very important, that one. Careful of these seeds. This is a pimento. And just simple wake up the peas and the rice together. It's best to use a fork. Let's take out some of these thyme and stuff at the top. But as you can see, oh, you're looking so fluffy, nice. Alright, so this is exactly what Chef Ricardo is talking about. Gungo rice and peas. Alright, so this is finished. Turn off my stove. And we have a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. So what we're going to do now, we're going to share it out. Let's taste it and see something. Perfect. We're going to share it out. That's it. Just share it out. That's it. It's really nice. Fantastic. Let's share it out. Nice and lovely, guys. As I can see, that's the gungo peas. All rice with the jerk pork vegetable at the side. Look at that, beautiful and nice. So enjoy it, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe like this coming out your way. Stay tuned and leave your comments at the bottom. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.